As our final step, the post-processing for the file, it's the post-process button on the toolpath panel, and that's going to open the post-process dialog box. And this is really where you're actually going to be setting all of your configurations for your machine. So here, I'm just going to leave the default, which is just a Haas milling machine, as my option. I'm going to just extract them into this output folder. I'm not going to change up too much here. I can say this is my AU test post-processed file. I can see here that I've left the option to open the NC file in the editor, so once it actually posts out, it's actually going to open the file in the editor, which is a nice way to review it. I could also go through and set up any of these and make any changes to these parameters as well. It's something that, based on your machine, you would want to scan through and be sure that all those values are set properly. I'm going to click Post here, and you can see that the default name appears here. I'm going to click Save. I already have one of these files in here, so that's okay. I'm going to click Yes to copy over it. And you can see here now that the Autodesk HSM editor opens up, and my machine code for the entire model has been generated. So you can scan through that, be sure that you're happy with that before you're sending it to a machine. This model has just the one operation. If you had a model that had multiple operations, you would need to post them out separately.